Wow! Welcome to the world's biggest loom. Look, a giant mystery button. Vroom! Should I press it? Let's find out. Whoa! Something is happening inside the factory. Look at all those Lego bricks. No way! It's becoming a monster. Whoa! Look! A giant Lego wall. Whoa! Go, monster truck! Quick! It's getting away! Watch out for the hammer! Wow! Awesome jump! Keep going, you can do it! Look! It's stealing all the Lego bricks!
That Lego monster!
Why is it collecting all those bricks? I don't think it's building something good. Uh-oh. It's building a giant robot! Uh-oh. The robot is awake! Whoa! The Mega Brick Maker is turning on. Maybe this machine can save us. It is transforming right now. Wow! Look at the Lego monster truck! We have a new hero! We did it! We saved the Lego factory! Wow! It's the Lego Champion Trophy! This trophy belongs to our hero. Did you enjoy our Lego factory adventure?